So hi all, this is the back of fridge based on Peltier device here. I found it, by the way, in the garbage. Someone threw it away and I think I know why. It is working, but making a lot of noise because this is a very old fan and the old fan make a lot of noise. This is the power supply. There is also a temperature meter, probably the this wire, and this is all very basic stuff. You can work on 220 or 12 volt AC DC. It's also doing a hot, not just cold. Nice. And very simple use. I will put it I will put power cord to show you how much noise it is doing, and then we'll replace to a new device. Like the regular devices today are much quieter than the old one. Just a second, we plug it in and now hear the noise. You see, a very strong noise, unbelievable, but very loud. So instead of this one, what I'm going to use is a new one. This one. Now I will show you the noise of this connected to power supply. You cannot compare. Of course, this is the new devices for today. Okay, I will now connect it. This is the positive, this is the negative, but I need to find a way to connect it correctly. So I will use this capacitor. And now the positive is the first and the second is here. So I hope you remember the noise. Why it is not working? Because I need to power it on. So again, you see we have LEDs and no noise. What a difference. Okay, so I will put the new one instead of the old one, and then we'll see what noise we get. Very simple, just replace. I have this adapter so I know where is the positive and where is the negative. I think that the size is the same. Yeah, it's the same, of course. So no issue to replace it. I will replace and then we'll power it on again to see the difference. Okay, replace done. Now hopefully everything is correct. And now let's hear what is the difference in the noise. No noise. Unbelievable how different. We have enough air for cooling this device. So yeah, this is how you do a good fridge. By the way, it's not compressor, so it's not very efficient in terms of power. A lot of power is consumed by these models. Yeah, but this is what we have. And that's all. Hope you enjoy. Thank you and bye.